Welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I'm sharing a recipe that reminds me of cozy evenings at home: beef and barley soup. This classic recipe has been passed down through generations and is always a crowd pleaser. This soup is packed with flavor, perfect for those chilly days when you want something warm and satisfying. This wholesome soup will complement your dinners or even as a meal on its own. Let's get cooking. Let's bring back those warm, fuzzy feelings and get cooking. Did you know you can scale the recipes on our website to the number of servings you like? You can also view the video and print out the scaled recipes. You can also adjust the level of hotness you like. This unique feature will help you scale the recipes to your desired servings or hotness. This recipe will make 4 servings. Let us proceed to the recipe.
Take a 1/4 cup of cooking oil in a pan. Heat on medium heat. Add 3 finely chopped garlic cloves. Stir fry till it starts to change color. Add 400 grams of diced beef. Stir fry till the water the beef gives out is almost dry. As the water starts to dry, add 1 cup of chopped onion. Add 1 cup of chopped celery. Stir fry till the water dries. Add a cup of diced carrots. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. Mix well.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Pressing the bell icon ensures you are kept up to date on all new videos.
Add half a teaspoon of salt. Add a teaspoon of black pepper. Mix well. Add 1 cup of barley, soaked for half an hour. Mix well. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Mix well. Break a vegetable stock cube and sprinkle over it. Add 5 cups of water. Reduce the heat to low, as it must be slow-cooked. Cover and let cook for 1.5 hours. After 1.5 hours, make sure that the ingredients are soft. Sprinkle a teaspoon of dry thyme and a pinch of dry parsley. Mix well. Enjoy with friends and family.